Can we go find the power switch?
Alright, Tricky Dick. Alright, what's going on, everyone? This is God of Awesomeness here. Doing the first ever commentary video. So yeah. I'm making this video in response to a couple of comments on assorted videos on my channel. One of which was someone was surprised that you could do a train in the elevator in 5, the big elevator. And so I'm going to do a train in the elevator in the sort of higher rounds. Not really going to do it in the low rounds. So another one was they wanted commentary. So here I am giving you commentary now. I picked 5. I don't know why. I like 5. 5 is a fun map. It's fast, intense, and it gets the job done. Nobody knocks 5. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of lean back a little bit. Maybe let one of the rooms, let the zombies get through one window. See if they drop anything. What the? Oh. Last zombie. Okay, so the timer says just a little under 2 minutes, and we've already gone through 2 rounds. So the idea is that we should go through about 1 round a minute, and then by round 4 or 5, by round 4 or 5, we should be going through rounds maybe 1.5 minutes per round, so on and so forth. Now I tried this a couple times before, and the trick is, when you're doing the train in the elevator, you're going to want the Bowie knife or Juggernog. Both is preferred for me, just because it's a safety. It's a safety precaution. Because without the Bowie knife, but with Jug, because without the Bowie knife, without the Bowie knife, you can't really clear zombies out one at a time. But without Juggernog, the Bowie knife is practically useless in such a tight little quartered area as the elevator. So I'm going to try to get both in this video, and just, also all my subscribers, 2 or 3 of you. In my videos, I do stupid things, like I walk around and I hold X near the floor or near some teddy bears. Those are parts of Easter eggs. Those are part of Easter eggs, so pay attention. Again, powering through the rounds so that we can get this done as fast as we can. Right, so because it's insta-kill, we're actually ahead of schedule now. It's round 5, and it's only been 4 minutes. So this is you don't necessarily need insta-kill or a nuke or a carpenter, double points, any of that stuff.
Oh, that's right.
Thank you, Nixon. Really, until the high rounds, you don't need any zombie drops. You just need yourself. Sounds corny. It is. It's true. Any good zombies player can easily go to 30 on every map without getting this. But I'm doing it for the 200 points. And double point.
Why do we need to stick in? Mr. Hippie. rescue the dog. How many ammo when they have looks like mine? I'll take it.
Hold on a second. I think we actually now have enough for the Bowie knife. That's great. See, double points can make the difference. Even though I told you just a minute ago, you don't need it. It helps. You see now, oh yeah, we're going to get the Bowie knife. Now we get down here, we turn on the power, we get the Bowie knife, get the melee kills, and then get Juggernaut. And then the train can begin.
I will gut them and wear their rib cages for hats.
There's the other,
That's gross.
that was the other trap piece right there. So, just reminding you. Oh, and those phones. Again with those phones.
Everyone to survive the week, that's how you develop courage.
Fuckers, quit slapping me.
If only I had a vote.
Come on, get on the elevator. Take that, you dirty hippie. Now it's time to go get Juggernaut. Then the train can work just fine. Reach for Juggernaut tonight. It's all time.
I did that on purpose, okay?
Alright, so another good piece of advice that you'll see in a lot of my videos is I kill the Nova Crawlers when they're in the middle of a horde of zombies. Because those Nova Crawlers explode and they kill the zombies. So in the high rounds, this can really help. Why? Because zombies have increased health in the higher rounds. That's why. I know there's going to be one person or two people that are going to say, well, why? Why are you killing the Nova Crawlers? Why don't you want all those points?
We are done. I just gone 3.
Well, the answer to that is you don't need a lot of points in the high rounds because you've already got all you need by the high rounds. By the high rounds, you should be set. You should just be straight training or camping or doing anything that you need to do to just get past the round. Fucking crawler. Fucking die. Fuck you. Okay. Time to do the training. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get them trained up out here first so that they don't really kind of encircle me inside the elevator. That's the first plan of action. Just going to shoot them up a little bit.
Hello, I'm talking here.
Holy fuck. Alright, time for the elevator train. Oh, don't think it worked. Didn't work.
I may be down, but I'm not out.
Son of a bitch. Okay, I will keep trying, but I don't know. I don't know what I did the first time. I'll keep trying, though. Thanks for watching.